Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss chapter number 5, Palanquin Bearers. This is the poem which is written by Sarojini Naidu. So before starting the poem, I'll give you brief information about the poetess Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th May 1879 in Hyderabad, and she played an active role in freedom struggle of India. She was the first Indian woman who was appointed the President of Indian National Congress, and later she became the Governor of United Provinces. She was a well-renowned poetess, and for her beautiful poetry, she has been lovingly called as the Nightingale of India. Some of her major works are The Golden Threshold and The Bird of Time. This poem, The Palanquin Bearers, is the first poem of Golden Threshold. So, this poem is all about the bearers who are carrying the palanquin. Palanquin means palki. In ancient time, the royal brides were being carried in a palanquin. So, the bearers are expressing the joy, expressing their happiness because they have got the chance to carry the bride on their shoulders, and they feel themselves as they are very privileged because they don't consider the palanquin as the burden, but happily they are carrying the bride. So this poem is the expression of the bearers and how they are comparing the bride with the different things. In a beautiful manner they are comparing the bride, which shows that they are enjoying the journey. So here the poem is divided in 2 stanzas, and each stanza consists of 6 lines. This poem is remarkable for the similes and images. What is a simile? A simile is a figure of a speech which is used to compare 2 things. So here, sways like a flower, skims like a bird, floats like a laugh. These are the similes which are used in the poem. Gradually I will explain you. Now let's start the poem. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. It means the palanquin bearers are carrying the bride as a very delicate person. The bride is very delicate for them, very light for them. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. And here the comparison is done between the flower and the bride. The movement of the palanquin, the movement of the bride who is sitting in the palanquin is compared with the flower, as the flower moves to and fro when the wind blows. Similarly, the palanquin and the bride is moving to and fro like a flower. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. Here the comparison is done between the bird and the bride. The bride is being compared with a bird, as the bird does not touch the surface of the foam of a stream. When a bird goes to catch any fish on a foam of a stream, she doesn't touch the surface. Similarly, the palanquin is not touching the surface of the road like a bird. Then she floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Now here, she floats. Floats means moves on the surface. So she is compared with a laugh. And when we are in a dream, lips of a dream, when we are in a dream and we see some good dream, beautiful dream, there is a smile on our face. So that smile, that laugh is compared with the bride. She is like a laugh, she is like a smile which we have when we see any beautiful dream. Here the laugh word also suggests that the bride is happy because she is going to start a new life. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. Gaily means happily. So happily the bearers are carrying the bride and they are singing a song. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Here the comparison of bride is being done with a pearl. The pearl is very expensive. Similarly, the bride is extremely extremely precious to the palanquin bearers, and they are carrying very carefully like a pearl is carried in a string. Similarly, they are carrying the bride in the palanquin. Now this is the second stanza of the poem. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. The palanquin bearers, they are carrying the delicate bride very softly, very carefully. She hangs like a star. She is like a star. Here the bride is compared with the star in the dew of our song. As the dew reflects like a starlight, similarly the palanquin, the bride, is also shining like a star. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. As the beam means the ray of light falls on the tide, falls on the waves of the sea, and when the waves moves, the beams or the rays of light also moves. Similarly, the palanquin is also moving, jumping as the beams move, as the ray of light moves on the waves. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. The slow moment of falling of the tear is compared with the bride. The bride also, the bride's movement is compared with the slow falling of the tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. Then, very softly, very carefully, they are carrying her and they are singing a joyful song. We bear her along like a pearl on a string, and the palanquin bearers are carrying her like a pearl, like a precious jewel, and they are carrying her very carefully. The Palanquin Bearers is a melodious and one of the most appealing poems of Sarojini Naidu. It describes the beauty of the bride which is being carried in palanquin, and we are reminded of the ancient customs of carrying the royal brides in a decorated carriages to their husband's home. Here the poetess knowingly has mixed the feeling of crying and laughing. The bride is sad as she is leaving the family and she is separated from the family, but simultaneously she is overjoyed and happy because she is going to start a new life. So here we have completed the poem. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you.